Hi beautiful people, welcome back to Joyce Queen. In today's video, I will be showing you how I did mini braids on my 4C natural hair. This is one of my favorite protective hairstyle because it helps keep my hair growing neat and healthy, and I didn't use any extensions. Before I started braiding, I made sure my hair was washed and moisturized. I use a rat-tail comb to section my hair in 3 large parts. I brought out one roll to start with, section my hair into small parts. I try to keep the parts neat so that the braid would come out clean. If you are doing it yourself, just take your time, no rush. Clip the sections you are not using or put it in a band like I did, so it's easier to work with. Now it's time to braid. I started from the roots and gently braided all the way down. Try not to braid too tight. You want it to be firm but comfortable. Mini braids takes time, but they are worth it because they last long and help you protect your ends. I really love mini braids because they are simple. They protect my fuzzy hair. I don't have to touch my hair every day, and most of all, they help me retain length and grow my hair. finished all the braids, I applied more oil on my scalp and the tips of my hair. This helps to keep your scalp moisturized and your hair looking fresh. That's it for today, my queens. If you are thinking of doing mini braids on your hair, give it a try. You don't need to be perfect. Just start slow, take your time and enjoy the process. Please give this video a like, leave a comment to tell me what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to Joyce Queen for more hair tutorials on dreadlocks, natural hair care routines, DIY hair growth recipes, my personal hair journey and styling ideas. I post new videos every Sunday by 4:30 p.m. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, your hair is your crown. Bye.